Alright, what we have on the bench today is a BussLink 128 megabyte MP3 player. Yes, I said megabyte. This is a fairly old one. It no longer functions. Computer recognizes it and says to insert media. So apparently the 128 megabyte of flash RAM, or flash memory rather, has bitten the dust. So let's pop it open, see what's inside. Take that off. And let's see, we're going to need these tools. See if I can, oh, right in there, yeah. Put that there. Little up here. Let me get this. So there we go. Yep, we're in. Alright, so you can see there's some obvious leakage from the battery. I wonder if this is what killed it. Looks like the label itself is, yeah, the white barcode that's underneath the battery appears to be a label. Let's see if we can take it apart a little bit further. We'll need a small screwdriver. Oops. And there's the fourth. So there's only 4 screws holding this. Packed all the way out. But we'll just go over a couple things here. This little rocker here is the switch. It is push in, up and down. It basically is the multi-function button for the menus, the volume, everything. And then of course we got a slide switch here for hold, resume, and actually it's hold, normal, and protect. Of course a crystal here. So any other interesting bits here? Not terribly. So what I'm curious is, get the screws out. There's all 4 screws. Let's put them out of our way. See if we can do this carefully. There we go. Oh wow, there's a second circuit board. Oh wow, did not expect to see a connector between the boards. So this is probably everything. And yeah, they had a little microphone. Could have been used as a recorder. Let's see, this looks like a, yeah, Atmel chip. Well, that's probably everything. Let's take a look a little further. Oh, okay, so an outer ring. Let's go ahead and take this apart. Okay. See if I can remove this last screw. I think all this is going to do is take the display board off. Yep. Oh yeah, there was one more button, the function button. Turned it on and off and got you in the menu where to could scroll around. So there's the LCD panel, of course. This is gonna wash out a bit, but I'm gonna give some more light so that, yeah, this washes out the screen pretty good. So that's the flash memory there. Wonder if there's any chance it could have just come loose. Highly unlikely. Let's drop a battery in it and see what it says. Just flip it over. Yeah, it's a lot of fun trying to hold that. But yep, that's all it does. Let me get rid of excess light here so we can see it better. So rather than having a splash screen, see if I can get that. There we go. Yeah, that's all it does. Just does that, flashes on the backlight, and then that's where it hangs. All the pixels are on. Well, we tried. So, my guess is, since the interface appears to work for the USB, that we've lost the either the chip that either accessed the memory, although I would expect that that's this guy here. I'm pretty sure this is a Samsung E squared ROM. Yeah, this should be an E squared ROM, I'd imagine. And this is the for the larger model. There was a 256 meg version of this. See if there's any other things worth taking a look at. See if we have any bad solder joints. No, they look pretty good. So everything on the connector is solid. Nothing suspicious there. But for those who are curious, it's an Atmel 89C51 SND1C dash IL. So let me look that chip up and see what that is. Let's see if there's any clues underneath this label. See if I can remove this label. Maybe not. Well, I know there's no parts under there, so nothing terribly interesting. Well, interesting. So again, let's look and see what this is. Alright, so what I've been able to find, of course, yeah, this is an Atmel processor. It's obviously not doing the digital to analog converter. It doesn't appear to have anything like that on it. But however, This is a stereo DAC. So this is for producing audio. So, it's interesting the decryption is being done in there. At least that's my guess. And, some capacitors and support chips and some power supply stuff, and of course the crystal for the processor. So, yeah, not a whole lot to see inside here. But, yeah, that's it. Nothing terribly obvious. I looked around for any cold solder joints. It's actually soldered together fairly well. So we're just going to call it done. 128 megabytes, hardly anything. I got a much bigger one for a fraction. So we're just going to bag it for now. Get it off the bench. All the little pieces. There you go. Done. So, just a quick little teardown of a defunct, ancient MP3 player. That thing's pretty old. We're probably talking, I guess around 2002, maybe. So, but just one day, it just didn't work anymore. There you have it. So thanks for watching.